Good morning. It's time to check in on our servers, see how everything is doing. We'll log into the dashboard and take a look. This is my site, my product, SharkToothProject.com. Built this all myself to help monitor client servers and keep everything up and running the way it's supposed to be. So I'll get signed in here. This is my fleet of servers. Some are mine, some are my clients. And we're just going to look for anything that's critical or needs attention. So we have one server that had a critical diagnostic overnight. This is one of my servers. It's actually my OpenClaw server that I've got running on light sail. So let's take a look and see what we're seeing here. Um, we have a couple of updates that are scheduled. One set that completed, one set that's pending. So that will run today at 2 p.m. If I needed to schedule more, I could select what I want to schedule and schedule them for a particular time and they'll run in the background. But let's move down to our diagnostic. I built in a lightweight AI diagnostic tool that takes a look when it gets an alert and tells me what it uh, found. This It's recommending that there might be a runaway process. Something else, our security is consuming a good bit of CPU, and there's a high IO wait time that might need to be addressed. So we can look at the CPU trends and memory trends over the last 24 hours. Memory's running consistently high, CPU's pretty spiky, so that is probably the background jobs I've got OpenClaw doing throughout the day. So we're not running hot constantly, so I'm not too worried about it. Memory is up and down. We're not consistently at the top of our memory range, so I think it's just normal processing. If this keeps up, I may uh, up the memory capacity on the server to handle, but I haven't seen any crashes or any non-responsiveness from it, so I'm not too worried about that. But basically, when it encounters an error, it comes out here, does a quick little diagnostic check of different system conditions, and lets me know what it would recommend I do on the server to alleviate these issues. So I'm not too concerned. It's doing its thing. This isn't a mission critical system. This is mostly an experiment with OpenClaw AI, agentic AI doing things in the background. So let's go back to the dashboard and see if there's anything else I might want to take a look at. We've got some updates pending, but they're scheduled. We have updates for that are just going to be um, a run to make sure everything's caught up. But everything right now is looking decent. So, no issues to immediately address. We've got everything up and running at present, and all the websites are responding with a status 200, meaning their heartbeats are good to go. So that quick little check let me review my fleet of 12 servers, and I'm ready to move on with my next task for the day. So if something does go critical anytime during the day, I'll get an alert letting me know I need to address it. Usually, though, by the time I pull up the console and take a look, everything's already been investigated and the issue has resolved itself for the most part. But uh, quick check in, wanted to show how I start my day uh, every morning to just make sure my fleet is behaving. Have a great day. See you in the next one.